Okay, one of the things that I don't understand, and maybe someone can explain in the comment section, is that common cards should be more common than other cards, and I feel like there should be more of them around, and that might be true. So there are lots of common cards that are widely available, but I also expected that common cards are also more than the others, and that is not the case. Like, the common cards are less than the uncommon cards, which honestly I find kind of weird. I don't know why it's like that. In most sets it's like this, and I don't know exactly why, but yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know, I expected common cards to be more than uncommon cards, but that's not the case. So I hope you found this nice, curious thing interesting, and yeah, see you in the next video.